Now I'm gonna have to go pee. So I've always said I typically don't do major spring cleaning. I'll do decluttering and organizing of some spaces in the zone that we're in. I sort of follow the Fly Lady system, and it works really good because your home is set out in zones. And zone 2 is the kitchen. It is the nighttime. You're gonna see me in some comfy clothes. Aprons on, let's go. Okay, I'm gonna put some soap in the sink. This is antibacterial hand soap. This is the Walmart brand. Ultra dish liquid. So I'm gonna fill up the sink with some hot soapy water so we can give all our trays a bath. Let them soak for a bit. We'll give them a good wash. This drawer here does all the measuring cups, our big knives, can openers, lots of gadgets. The drawer is having a hard time shutting. This is our utensil drawer, and I use these containers from the Dollar Tree, and I think the ones that have a lip here are from Walmart. So these all need to come out and get washed out. There's some gunk in there, so we'll get a nice bath going. Okay, I laid out some towels to put everything on. Oh my gosh, that's dirty. I'm a dirty girl. Oh boy. What are these? What? What are these? What are those? A moist towelette? This is where I put some putty down in the drawers to keep the trays from sliding. I actually got the idea from a few of you, so thank you. It worked really good. I'm gonna make a pile of the interesting things I find in the drawer. Yum, yum. Wonder, did these come out? They do. I just dipped this microfiber cloth into that soapy water. I'm gonna give it a little spray, disinfect it. This has been working out really good, you guys. You know, I could go measure out and get the wooden slot things, but saved a lot of money just doing it this way, and it works. Okay, we're gonna play with this stuff and get it in these trays. So, our steak knives have been going in one of them. I don't know. I think some things have been moved from the other big drawer where the measuring cups are to in here. So I'm just gonna do whatever fits. And then when we work in the other big drawer, we could see what's going on and make some adjustments. I might have a get to later pile. I don't know. This is what I got going on, and there's things, yeah, this belongs to something in the other drawer. So I'll put this one back. Oh, there's more steak knives obviously in the dishwasher. I'm gonna keep this one sitting out so when I do that big drawer, I can rework things. So I'm just gonna take everything out, dump. Well, this is a fun game. These are like kneaders to my mixer. I've never used them. I do believe I got this strawberry hauler from one of you. Ooh, the Pampered Chef scraper, that's good. What does this go to? No clue. Oh my gosh, there's more of those wet wipes. Okay, I'm coming in on the sides too and getting in here. I should have took a picture. I don't remember how I had this. Not a clue. let's play. Well, I know we need to make room for all my measuring cups. I need like new ones. I don't know. I swear measuring cups disappear, and then I find them in bags of flour or sugar. These are magnetic, so that's cool. And I have a lot of measuring cups because of all the cooking I do. I do multiple batches of things and I don't want to wash them in between cooking, and so I have them. So a lot of this I need for filming, and the rest are in the dishwasher. And measuring spoons disappear all the time too. I am going to donate these because I'll never use them. This is the best garlic press. It's from Pampered Chef. Oh, it's the best. Here's the cover to this. This is a cheese grater. I think this, or cheese slicer. I think this is from Pampered Chef too. And this is from Pampered Chef. Maybe all the little knick-knacky things in here. There's some sort of system with tablespoons, teaspoons, got bottle openers and peelers in here, ice cream scoop, melon ballers, stuff for the beaters, more serving utensils, garlic presses and can openers, and all the thermometers are back there. Measuring cups, all the small little thingies and knives. This is where I keep all the rags in the kitchen. Sometimes they're rolled up real pretty, and other times I just shove them in there because frankly, who really cares? All right, I'm gonna take these out, wipe down the drawer, and then fold them and put them back in. So I have a lot more of these towels. They're just in the wash. I'm gonna take all this out, wipe it down, maybe wipe down my blender here. Done. All right, that's done. All right, on the other side of my stove, I have where I keep a lot of the baggies, you know, plastic wrap, Reynolds wrap, and all of my pot holders. Random thing in drawer. What is that? Oh, we got some nails. That's pretty random. These are my bread bags. So when I make homemade bread, I keep in here all my pizza kit bags, the outer layer one, so I could use them again and put them in the freezer. These are pot holders. I have no idea where we got these from. Oh, how are you? You're so cute. Oh,
I got those feet.
And there's these little ones. Mama. This drawer is done. Woo! Below that is where I keep all our pots and pans and lids. We'll go through that. We'll see which lids fit what. We'll see if anything matches. Oh, what do we get down here? Some aluminum foil, another pizza kit baggie, and a pot holder. Now I gotta play the matching game with the lids. Got one match, two matches. Ooh, look at that. Woo! I can't find a match to this one. Ah, aha. So I got this divider at the Dollar Tree. You could use it for plates, but I use it for my lids. So there we go. That drawer and cupboard is done. Yep, this is gonna need some order and a definite wiping down. It's late right now. It's 12:30 at night and I'm spring cleaning my kitchen. Dedicated. Let the games begin. These nice serving bowls I don't use, I don't use them every day. I'm just gonna move them over this way so I could put these other serving bowls up here. And I'm done. And below there is where I keep all my bowls and casserole pans. So this stays pretty much in good order. So we'll just be wiping it down, and I don't think I'll be decluttering any of this, but we'll see, and we'll wipe down everything, the shelf and everything. And I'll get under there too and wipe down and reach as best as I can. Here's all my casserole pans. I do have a big white one that I keep in my pantry though. Alright, time to switch out cloths to a new one. And on the other side of the microwave is where we keep our cups, mugs, dishes, and it's slowly turning into the medicine cabinet. So this stuff needs to get out of here for sure. I have cups in the dishwasher cleaning right now. I have big bowls that go here. We'll get this cleaned out, put the medicine somewhere, probably in the bathroom. I don't know, all this is convenient. So I'm gonna keep it on the counter, and Derek's gonna have to move it up above the microwave with the rest of the medications. Sweater weather. And these I think I got at the Dollar Tree too. If it wasn't, it was Walmart, but I'm pretty dang sure. Our finest china done. I'm not sure how I should go about washing these, but this is super damp, so I'm just going to get the spots off the best that I can, and then when, you know, it's daytime and people aren't sleeping, I can ask my mother-in-law what she would like me to do, and I'll do it, like treat them. But I'm just gonna get any of the smudges and things that I see off and do that really quick. The floor needs mopping, but I'm going to do that on another day. Sometimes I need a push to get things done, so I hope this pushed you to get something done as well. Spring clean, make something pop, even if it's one drawer, two drawers, just wiping down your cupboards, whatever you can do to make progress. All right, friends, thank you so much for joining me, and we will see you soon. Bye.